Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create digital art on iPad with Adobe Fresco. With Adobe Fresco, you can make digital art with thousands of brush styles, all at the tip of your stylus and fingers. Not to mention, your digital art on Adobe Fresco is perfectly portable. So, you can take it anywhere you go next for creative inspiration. Get started to your digital art today with the following this video. Start with a sketch. Like any great art project, it's a good idea to start with a sketch. Adobe Fresco has several brushes that imitate the style of a pencil or pen, whichever you prefer to sketch with. Simply create a layer and sketch out your digital art. Then add a background. Next, you'll want to create a new layer to create digital art with pixel, live, or vector brushes. Only one type of brush can be used on each layer. Use the brushes to draw a paint, a background for your digital art. Then make your digital art. On another new layer, create digital art. You can use your sketch to trace over it with different brushes to get the effect you'd like. There are three kinds of brushes: pixel, live, and vector. Pixel brushes use digital pixels to create the brush strokes. Live brushes work exactly like normal paint. You can blend oil and watercolors without the mess of normal paint. Vector brushes allows you to draw and sketch your artwork before transferring it into Adobe Illustrator to work with further. You can also quickly import to Adobe Photoshop to add images and designs, or use Adobe Capture to turn photos into colors, brushes, and textures to integrate into your Adobe Fresco digital art. All three apps work perfectly together to help you perfect your digital art. Export and share your digital. Once you finish your art, simply export and share it with your friends and family by selecting the share button at the top right of the screen. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.